Bonjour, je t'invite à prendre du temps pour toi.
Hello, I invite you to take the time for yourself, really for yourself. Not a time to escape or to fill up, but a time for living, a time to find out who you really are, deeply, or rather a time to discover your real self during 3 days. It's not long, but it's enough to be able to truly listen to yourself and build new pathways of awareness and freedom. The workshop will unfold in 3 steps. The first step is very dear to biodecoding because it's the path of emotions. Our emotions allow us to really acknowledge and access our needs, to figure out our emotional, affective, and love reality. The second step is about our beliefs, which are the engine, the guide of most of our decisions. And the third step is about who am I, the identity. Who has those emotions? Who makes those choices? Who nourishes those thoughts? In this way, following those 3 steps, in a very practical, concrete manner, you'll be able to transform, to change. Heal what's underneath the visible problem. Because underneath the disease, the symptom, the complaint, and the suffering, there's a life force, a power for creativity, a joy of life, a gift to share infinitely. So I'm looking forward to meeting you very soon in Atlanta in October 2019.